Hello, my name is Sandra Rios, and I will discuss my project on how transitional justice contributes to the dignification or the restoration of dignity for victims in Colombia. This is a project funded by the National Fund for Scientific Research in Belgium. And in this project, I look how different mechanisms, reparations, memory, and also the Truth Commission in Colombia have understood the process of restoration of dignity for victims. But at the same time, I'm interested in observing and understanding how people in the ordinary life, and particularly victims, consider that this process of dignification should take place. What is the role of the state in that? What is the role of themselves? What is the role of civil society in that process of regaining dignity? More importantly, I argue that to take into account seriously these notions of human dignity and dignification are important for the next step in the process of reconciliation in Colombia. Welcome to this project, and I hope that you can see the different themes. And if you're interested in this, please contact me, and I look forward to have a conversation with you. Thank you.